Alright guys, so my girlfriend managed to run in, well, this lovely area here, Aiken, South Carolina. There are lots of potholes, and when they repave the roads, anywhere there's a manhole cover ends up being a 6-inch pothole in the middle of the road. Anyway, on a Neon, you really don't have that much room, ground clearance anyway. So Jenny was driving around, she managed to find one of these holes and bent this nicely into here. This has been a while ago now, I guess, but this section right here was bent. This was way back over here, and this was tight. I got it bent back a good bit now, but I have a question for you. I'm using this ratchet strap. It's a pretty decent strap. I like it. I've basically just left them in the back of the truck. Abused them out in the weather and everything, and there's really no rust or anything on them. I've had them for about a year now. Nice handle so you can pull hard on them. But just out of curiosity, I was wondering how you know how much tension you have on your strap. I can do this, and I know it's really tight, but I have no idea how safe this is. Anyway, I don't know if I can get that much straighter underneath there. I'm going to try. This is how I was doing it. Just jarring the car a little bit. And trying to get it to move back into place. I'll take this camera and try to watch right here, see if it straightens out any. Put a little more tension on it. My leverage is actually doubled there, and where it's doubled, I don't think I can pull any harder. Ooh. Yeah, that's tight. Let's see. Alright, that's all I'm doing for now. Maybe a little better. Alright, much better than it was.